Looking for a compact, powerful pressure washer that delivers pro-level results for home use? The BRIGGS and STRATTON S1800 electric pressure washer is about to change the way you clean. When it comes to tackling tough home cleaning jobs, the BRIGGS and STRATTON S1800 stands out for its blend of compact design, reliable power, and ease of use. Weighing in at just 31.5 pounds, this lightweight electric pressure washer is easy to maneuver, making it perfect for home projects like washing your car, driveway, or deck. But don't let its size fool you. This machine packs a punch. With 1800 psi of pressure and a 1.2 GPM flow rate, the S1800 generates 2,160 cleaning units, giving you more than enough power to strip away grime, mildew, and dirt from surfaces like concrete, wood, and even outdoor furniture. It offers the kind of performance you'd expect from bulkier models, but in a size that's practical for home use. One feature that sets the S1800 apart is its long-life universal motor. Designed for durability, this motor ensures consistent performance for years. Unlike many of its competitors, this unit doesn't overheat or lose pressure mid-task, so you can trust it to keep working as hard as you do. Need to speed things up? The Turbo Nozzle helps you clean up to 40% faster, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your outdoor space. Whether you're cleaning your patio or prepping your home for a fresh coat of paint, the 3 Quick Connect nozzles, 15 degrees, soap, and turbo, make switching between tasks effortless. The integrated detergent tank holds 0.5 gallons, giving you the option to upgrade your cleaning power in seconds. Just fill it with soap, snap on the soap nozzle, and you're ready to go. No need to pause to refill frequently. With a 25 feet high pressure hose, you'll have plenty of reach to clean larger areas without constantly moving the machine. Its welded steel frame adds durability, providing protection for the internal components against any unexpected bumps or drops during use. And for those concerned with portability, the 7-inch wheels and compact hand truck design make this pressure washer incredibly easy to roll from one project to the next, whether you're cleaning your deck or tackling the siding on your home. Why is this the best in its class? Compared to the competition, the S1800 offers the perfect balance of power and convenience. While other models may either be underpowered or too bulky for regular home use, this unit hits the sweet spot, delivering more than enough power while still being portable and easy to handle. If noise reduction is what you're after, the Best Son Joe pressure washer might be the next solution for you. It's ready to play on the screen now.